Hi, I'm Mubin from Wise. In this video, I'll be talking about the essential tools or software that every first time tutoring business owner needs. When you start a tutoring business, you'll realize it's more than just teaching. There are timesheets, there are invoices, and bunch of other things to manage. These tools and software help you stay organized so that you can focus on students and growth of your tutoring business. So in this video, I'll talk about the essential aspects of starting and running a tutoring business and what software or tools you can use to streamline the same. First, let's talk about scheduling, the most critical aspect of any tutoring business. Having a proper scheduling tool is non-negotiable. You need to ensure that your clients, students or parents, you yourself, and your other tutors as well, are always on top of their schedule. Sessions are not missed, they're not delayed, cancellations and rescheduling should be minimized. You can use Google Calendar as a starting point to ensure all your sessions are always on the calendar, and you can use tools like Calendly or cal.com on top of it. These tools also help you provide a self-serve experience to your clients where clients can look at your real-time availability and then book sessions directly with you. Now, second, payment and invoicing. If you're running a tutoring business, you're teaching students, you want to ensure that you get paid on time. And imagine you're teaching a student and you forgot to send them an invoice and their session just continued while they never paid for it. You don't want these things to happen. Having a dedicated invoicing software or a payment software ensures that there are no leakages. It ensures that invoices get sent out automatically. And something like Stripe would also ensure that once you collect the first payment, you can automate recurring payments. So having a dedicated payment software like Stripe will ensure that your invoices are sent out automatically, your payments happen on time, and in case students or clients forget to make the payment or miss a payment, you get notified so that there are minimal leakages. So you will have peace of mind. And as you start working with other tutors, you will also be able to ensure that you're able to pay them on time as well. Now, third, the actual tutoring sessions. If you're doing online tutoring, you would need something like Zoom or Google Meet to start with. Also, using tools like Loom to record your screen, to create content, to create videos which you could later share with students are very helpful. So, Zoom and Google Meet are always great starting points. Google Meet is free, Zoom is paid but has better engagement features. I've done a blog comparing Zoom and Google Meet for online teaching. You can go through the same. There's a link in the description and you can decide what works for you the best. Now, fourth, learning management and content hosting. A lot of tutoring businesses don't just provide live sessions or tutoring sessions, they also share important material like PDFs, reading material, or videos. Google Drive could be a good starting point where you could create individual folders for your clients and then share relevant content. Google Classroom is also a free LMS that many tutors use in the start of their journey, which helps them in providing homework or assignments to the students as well. So in case you plan to share content or any material with the students, use Google Drive or Google Classroom to start with. Now, to summarize, every tutoring business needs four things. One, a scheduling or booking software. Second, a payment slash invoicing software. Third, a video conferencing tool if you are providing online sessions. And fourth, a learning management system or just a system to share content with the students. Using all these tools or softwares will help you stay organized. It will ensure that your students or clients are getting a good experience. But as you scale, as the number of students increase, as you start working with more tutors, you will realize that this needs to be done in a much more organized way. These tools don't really talk to each other, so you will need to build in some automations or some integration so that these tools work together and there are no leakages in the system. But soon you'll realize you're not running a tutoring business, you're running a tech business. We are just ensuring that these tools work together simultaneously. So a good solution for that as you scale your tutoring operations or tutoring businesses is to go for a dedicated tutoring software. A dedicated tutoring software ensures that all these critical tasks, things like invoicing, scheduling, lesson hosting, or doing live sessions happen in a single place in much more organized way. Students and clients have a dedicated dashboard where they can access all these resources. And it also has advanced features like tutor student chat, consultations, institute calendar, and bunch of other things. So as you scale, you will see the value of using a dedicated tutoring software Wise is a great option. It's a modern tutoring software which has mobile apps as well. You can definitely check out Wise as you grow and scale your tutoring operations.